Well, hey, my little angels, come on in, come in. I'm so excited you're here. I got a box. Okay, so come in and be comfortable. Lots and lots of seats available. Got the hammock over there. That'll fit 3 of you comfortably, or if you're friendly. Rocking chair will fit 2 of you. Did any 2 come together? Perfect. And we've got lots of meditation cushions for those that just want to flake out. We've got the rocking chair over here, the single. We have a tub chair, the couch, and I put all the hardback chairs around so you can be close. Okay, great. I'm so glad. I should put my earphones on, shouldn't I? And we do have beverages set up, so I'm very happy about that. For the chilled beverage today, we just have plain cranberry juice. I also have orange juice, pineapple juice, tomato juice, and I can't see the other juice. Oh, apple juice. So please help yourselves. And for the hot beverage station, today we have all kinds of teas, all different teas. I have chai tea, lemon tea, peach tea, Rouge Provence tea, which is berries, and we also have a heavenly cream. So please help yourselves, guys. Awesome. And I do see that we have some new little angels. Hi, welcome. Thank you for being here. Please feel free to give it a thumbs up, to share it. Sharing is caring. And if you want to just comfortably watch, guys, that's okay. I'm happy that you're here. If you want to comment, we love the comments on this channel. Love it, love it, love it. I love watching you guys interact with each other. I love interacting with you. I like knowing what you think, what you feel, your video ideas, suggestions, gentle, heavy on the gentle, critiques, all of it. I really do. And please hit that subscribe button below. And hello to my returning little angels. Hi guys, hi. I'm so happy that you're here. Thank you so much for always being supportive and caring and loving. And just keep it all coming, please. And please make sure you're still subscribed. Because you guys, when we interact, you take this great big world and go and make it smaller. And that's such a good thing, you guys. I love it. So today, I was not expecting this. I got a package from Fab Fit Fun. And I think this is the extras. I think they had like a special clearance edition, and I don't remember what I picked. Brain like a sieve. So I thought we could go through it together. Yeah, okay. So the first thing is this Chic and Tonic reusable lunch bags, which are perfect. You know who I'm giving these to. Baby Angel. Because this way she can put her snacks in it. If she has a late class and she's grabbing something in the dining hall, she can just put it in this. It folds up. It's not like taking a big bag. It'll fit nicely in her purse. So those are great. Maybe I will have a care package for her this visit. Let's see. Now this one, what is this? Summer and Rose Vintage Plant Mister. And I have a great idea for a video because, let's see if I can get it out. Okay, oops. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. For those of you that watch the Ghosts in the Castle series, this is going to be perfect. Oops. For the gardener. For the gardener. I love it. It's also going to be great for some perfume videos, especially the making your own. I love this. This is awesome, don't you think? I love the pump. Very, very antique-y. Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, that's a big plus. Okay, what's this? Oh, this one's a little bit heavy. Whoops. Same company, though, as the lunch bags. I think I asked for a mystery box. So I bet you there's a mystery. This is one of the mystery things. Because Uncle Angel had a fit. It's a set of 4 coasters. I love coasters. just love them though. I really do. So let's see what else in here. Okay, let's see what they look like. Get rid of those. You know these are poisonous to your pets, right? Okay, so let's see what they look like. Oh, okay, they're kind of vintagey, very fall-like. I do know somebody that would love this because it's almost like patchwork quilting. I think these are going in a gift bag. I think it's perfectly okay. I pay for these boxes for me to gift some of this. So that's definitely going in the gift box. Okay, and this is garbage. Well, recycling. Okay, what is this now? Set of 2 stacking mug sets. I need stacking mugs like I need a hole in the head. But let's check them out, shall we? Again, might be great gifts. And I bet you they match the coat. No, this isn't the same company. All right, let's see what it is. Okay. Oh, they say Fab Fit Fun. Oh, I like them. They're purple with the stars, or the bursts, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I like these. I like these. I think I know. Yeah, I keep those. You can always use extra mugs. Okay, so I'm going to put that over there. And then, now these 2 look like they're from the same company. Oh, and this is heavy as sin. Oh my gosh. Short stories. Set of 4 plates. Okay, let's check out these plates. Ooh, they're square. I like different shaped plates. I always have. Okay. They're heavy. It's very heavy, guys. I don't want to break anything. Okay, there we go. I have someone's birthday coming up, so I have a really good idea. Oh, these are gorgeous. Are they all the same? Yeah. Oh, they are. And I know somebody who really likes this kind of design. Yeah, this was a mystery because I did not pick these. Those are really pretty, though. Oh, I know exactly who this is going to. Exactly. I will give them this and the coasters. Okay. And then I love this type of boxes. Okay, so I'm just going to put this down because, like I said, it's heavy. And then the last thing, same company. What is this one? Okay, it's a large size wall shelf. I can always use a wall shelf. But let's see what it looks like. As y'all know, my studio, I can always use a wall shelf. Oh, this looks very pretty. Oh, this is very nice. So there's the anchors and everything. Oh. And it's well protected. Oh, I really like this. I don't even know if I'll use this as a wall. I don't know if I want it on the wall. I might just use it as a nice tray. I really like it as a tray. I love the scalloped. But you can see that it has the holes here pre-drilled for you to hang it up. I might, but if I'm going to hang it up, I'll probably paint it either white or black or pink or purple. I don't know. I don't know. But this would be a great thing to put candles in. Oh, I like this idea. Definitely think so. So that's my Fab Fit Fun box that I wasn't expecting to come. So I'm happy with it. I hope you guys are. Thank you for opening it with me. I'm sorry that this is a short video. Promise the next one will be longer, okay? But guys, always remember that I love you, I value you, I honor you, and I'm so very, very glad that each and every one of you was born.